Okay, well, hello and welcome back. I'm just here to catch you up on our repairs and upgrades. We hope to get this on the market on May 25th. I'm at 1342 Via de Los Reyes in San Jose. This is in South San Jose, which is located in the Almaden Valley, a very desirable area. And as you can see, our exterior paint job is done. So we got rid of the 80s, 90s teal trim, and we replaced it with brown to make it more of a Spanish style. And we've got all our beautiful flowers in bloom here. And as you can see, I'm not wearing my coat in the last two videos. We've got our beautiful California weather back, which is nice. You can hear the noise inside. So we're putting in the linoleum vinyl plank in the front two rooms to make it open and spacious. The front two rooms, by the way, are the living room and the dining room, and then new carpet in the bedrooms. So that's happening today, tomorrow, and Thursday. So come on and take a look. Okay, so now we're inside the house, and the flooring guys are removing the baseboards to install the linoleum vinyl plank in our living room and our dining room. Here's a sample of it. This is an excellent flooring surface as it's waterproof and scratch resistant. So if you have pets, it's not going to get ruined, as opposed to the real hardwood flooring. So we're excited to get this in and see how it looks. And then after that, the carpets are going to go in the bedrooms, new carpets in the bedrooms, okay? Thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon. Bye.